Okay, here I am, back up on the main road. That's where I was. The little lady fishing person. It's really nice camp. So anyway, I didn't think the wind was blowing. It wasn't at the campground, but you know, it is here. But you know, what the heck. Little wind noise. 5 miles speed on people. People. And since 9/11, they'll put these barricades that will make you close to the dam. You know, national security, this, that, or whatever. That's where the fishing used to be the best, right next to the dam. No parking. That is Lake Havasu, people. Then you go all the way to upstream. Hey, let's see, where can you be? Trying to think. Needles. All the way to Needles, California on this. It is. No, not correction. It's not Needles. What the heck do I think about? It's the other direction. But anyway, what do I know? Not much. I'm trying to think of where you could get there. You'll come to me, of course, you don't have to turn the camera off. 72-hour parking limit. So you can park your boat and trailer here. We can't camp here for 72 hours. No camping. But that's okay. And a bathroom here, of course. Nice ramp. We got a ramp. Goes down there to the water. Pretty nice, huh? And there's I don't see no Iron Ranger, no nothing. So, but check it out before you come. I'm sure you can online. Have a fine day. We're going to go back to camp and see what we can do the rest of the day. We're going to run this for a while. What the heck? Here's the road up ahead of me here. 5 miles an hour. Okay, this is very fast. Hey, ain't a word. Boy, how many times I hear that one growing up. Okay. I ain't gonna say it no more then. And a lot of parking here. Again, 72-hour parking, but no camping. I think that's it. Day parking. Wow. 10 days. Be on the lake for 10 days. So I'll park your boat, trailer here. Trailer here and go around the lake. How about that? Got over there, you got an area. It also says 10-day parking, but no camping. Well, you know, gotta have your rules. Don't want everybody everybody and their brother out here camping, do you? Nice little picnic area right here. Tells you about the, you know, the takeoff point. That's what it's called here. Takeoff point. 2-hour parking limit here. Joey Bonsai, just for the hell of it. I wonder how far I get it. Right now far if I don't be able to speed, huh? Just depends on what's down there. It looks like a lake. You know, what a ride. I always think about that stuff. You know, how cool would it be? You know, like Laverne and Shirley. Laverne and Shirley. You know, in the Grand Canyon. Bang, bang, bang. What can I say? I say I better put on my seatbelt. Wherever it is. Look at all the excavation I had to do there. This dam. By the way, that Parker Dam is the deepest dam in America. Yeah, it goes down into the earth like 300 feet or something. I don't know. You can Google it. That's my seatbelt here. Sorry. Should have done that. Far left. There we go. And some more parking area. You know, like, you know, there's times here that this gets busy. Downshift. I got some walkers. Oh, they're holding hands. How cute. Hi, how you guys doing? Good. Don't you love it? I do. I like to see people hold hands. There's an older couple. Still in love. How about that? You know, you can continue your love throughout your marriage if you want to really try. You gotta be a partnership though. Well, what do I know? I've been divorced 3 times. I don't know. Okay. We'll go across no trucks, trailers, RVs across the dam, and they can stop you. No drones. Can't fly drones here. Oh, look at this. The guard is walking across there. Probably, I don't know. May have to go over here and do some duty or something. Got his lunchbox and stuff there. Parker Dam, one of the dams you can still drive across. Like I said, looks like Havasu. I just saw that town. Remember that town I told you about where you could take this lake all the way up to? How about Laughlin? Yeah, you could take it all the way up to Laughlin to Davis Dam, just above Laughlin. I knew it'd come to me sooner or later. 15 mile an hour speed limit. And Yo-Yo's right behind me, you know, right in my butt. Well, I'll pull over here and let it pass. Stick it. There you go. Parker Dam Road. Later.